Sige lang.
Apo, Islet?
Sir, magbibigay po ba ng hiwalay na reward ng Office of the President?
I cannot hear you. Sorry.
Magbibigay po ba ng hiwalay na reward ng Office of the President kay Carlos
For?
Yulo?
Carlos Yulo, sir.
Well, why not? Yeah, I don't see why not. You know, he deserves everything that anybody is willing to give him. Actually, dahil may monetary reward na siya kung saan nanggagaling, ang talagang pagka nagkita kami, itatanong ko sa kanya, ano pa maitutulong ng pamahalaan para mas dumami ang ating mga medalists sa Olympics. At nadaanan niya lahat yan. He went to the Tokyo Olympics. He has now won his 2 gold medals in the Paris Olympics. Kaya kung ano pa ang aming gagawin. Because alam naman natin, itong mga atleta, hindi lang ang sarili ang kanilang iniisip, kundi pagandahin pa at maging mas maganda pa ang performance dun sa sport nila at sa buong sport ng Pilipinas. So that is really, I think, a more significant effort. And that's why I will ask Kaloy Yulo kung ano ba talaga sa palagay niya. Ano pang pwedeng gawin ng pamahalaan para dumami ang ating mga?
How much kaya, Mr. President? How much po yung pwedeng?
No, I'm going to ask him what can we do. He has already 20 million. He has already, I don't know, I think, if he needs, hindi na siguro siya mangangailangan ng pera, pero para sa akin, ang interest ko, dumami ang medalist kagaya niya. Anong kailangan gawin? Do we have to change the organization? Do we have to, how do we, kung it needs to be funded? Si Kaloy Loizaga is going to go. Ay, sorry. Yun ang pinakakilala kong Kaloy. So, Kaloy Yulo, I think he will continue to greater heights in sport. Dahil matagal na siyang world champion eh. Dapat yung Tokyo, dapat nanalo na siya, nadaga lang eh. Pero ngayon, nakita natin ang tunay ng kakayahan. And again, I think he will be the best person to ask what else it is that we can do.
Next question, Kenneth Pascal.
Nakahalata yung edad ko, kalilay siya.
Pero base po sa Octa Research, tumaas po sa 36% yung mga sumusuporta po sa Marcos administration mula sa dating 31%. May we get your reactions on this?
Well, of course, good news lagi yan, yung maraming sumusuporta sa iyo. We don't, I'm sure yung mga analysts dyan magsasabi kung anong mga tunay na ibig sabihin dyan. But I have to say that it is nice to know that people are beginning to understand what we are trying to do. And I think that may be because we really don't, hindi kami nagde-decide dahil para sa magandang survey. Nagde-decide kami para pagandahin ang buhay ng Pilipinas. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ang mga ganun pa rin ang gagawin namin. Alright?
Last question,
Okay.
Chona Yu.
Sir, just would like to get your thoughts on the recommendation of 22 senators to suspend muna yung PUP modernization program.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on that?
Well, I disagree with them because sinasabi nila binadali. This has been postponed 7 times. The modernization has been postponed for 7 times. And those that have been objecting or have been crying out and been asking for suspension are in the minority. 80% have already consolidated. So paano naman? Yung 20% ang magde-decide yung buhay ng 100%. So pakinggan natin yung majority. At ang majority sinasabi, ituloy natin. So that's what we will do.
Thank you, Mr. President.